Morning, dear children. Welcome back to your online classes. Today we have maths class. Okay. So all of you, in last class already we have finished chapter 5 division. So today we will see chapter 6 whole and parts fraction. Whole and parts fraction. So all of you open page number 127. 127. All of you open page number 130. 130. 130. Chapter 6. Okay, what is a mean by whole? Whole means if you have given any shape, so that one is whole part. Okay, and part of fraction means a whole can be divided into any number of part. जो whole दिया हुआ है वो कितने पार्ट में डिवाइडेड, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ फ्रैक्शन. ओके, नाउ लुक, दैट इज गिवन वन पार्ट देन वन होल. होल पार्ट की बात कर रहे हैं, वन होल, दैट इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स देन टू इक्वल पार्ट्स. बोथ आर इक्वल, दोनों पार्ट इक्वल है ना, देन टू इक्वल पार्ट्स. ओके, that is given, then each part is not equal. इसके सारे पार्ट इक्वल नहीं है, तो we can say two unequal parts. Two part is there but unequal, इक्वल नहीं. okay, now look, circle is given, then पूरी की बात की जाए तो one whole. okay, it is divided into three parts, then three equal parts. All parts are equal, सारे parts equal है, then three equal parts. This one, it is also divided into three parts, but all parts are not equal. Then we can say three unequal parts. Unequal, तीनों part बराबर नहीं है ना, that is three unequal parts. Okay, again you see, पूरे पार्ट की बात की जाए देन वन होल, इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू फोर इक्वल पार्ट्स, एंड दिस वन इज ऑल्सो डिवाइडेड इनटू फोर पार्ट्स, बट ऑल पार्ट्स आर नॉट इक्वल. गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू? हाउ कैन वी से इक्वल एंड अनइक्वल पार्ट्स? ओके, सो जो इक्वल पार्ट्स होते हैं सेम साइज में होते हैं, ऑल आर इन सेम साइज एंड सेम शेप. शेप भी आपका इक्वल होना चाहिए. गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू? ओके, सो वी विल स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 1. सो ऑल ऑफ यू ओपन पेज नंबर 130. Chapter 6 whole and part fraction, exercise 1, page number 130. First question is there. Okay, this one is divided 3 equal parts and this one is divided into 3 equal parts. Got it all of you? Now look, circle is there. It is divided into 4 equal parts. This one also divided into 4 equal parts. This one also divided into 4 unequal parts. Equal नहीं है ना, ये भी equal नहीं है. Only fill in this. Got it all of you? Okay. Now see question number 2. Draw lines to divide the following rectangle into. आपको 4 equal parts. You have to divide it 4 equal parts. How can we divide into 4 equal parts? Now see, we can divide in this way also, and in this way also we can divide. In this way also we can divide. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Got it all of you? Okay. Now see, you have to do practice 6 equal parts. How can we do? It is divided into 6 equal parts. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way also we can divide. And in this way also you can divide. Got it all of you? Now see 8 equal parts. How can we divide it into 8 equal parts? First 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this one in this way. So it is divided into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it all of you? Okay. So exercise first, it is finished. Now open page number 132 and 133, exercise 2. Okay, first of all you have to open 131 page number. Now see, this one circle is given whole, and if this one is divided into 2 equal parts, so how can we write 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, यानी 2 equal parts. Okay. What is a fraction? A fraction is a number that tells about equal parts of a whole or a group. Fraction आपका क्या होता है? जो बताता है एक तो इक्वल पार्ट्स, पूरे का इक्वल पार्ट्स. That means that one is the square. It is divided into 2 equal parts. If we are talking this part, तो we can write what is a fraction? 1 by 2. इसका फ्रैक्शन क्या होगा? पार्ट तो 1 है लेकिन किसका है? 2 पार्ट, टोटल 2 पार्ट है, पर इसकी बात करें देन 1 by 2. ओके, या दिस वन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू this type of equal parts, this type of equal parts, this type of equal parts, or we can say 1 by 2. Now see square 2 and 1 by 2 we can write 1 half. What? 1 half. 1 by 2 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 1 half. Okay. Square is divided into 4 equal parts. So we are talking for this part only, तो we can write 1 by 4. क्या लिखेंगे? 1 by 4. This one also 1 by 4 because 4 parts are there. Total number of parts 4, and हम इसकी बात कर रहे हैं, then we can write 1 by 4. Okay, it is divided. we can divide it in this way also, this one also, and in this way also. Got it all of you? And 1/4 we can say 1/4. What we can say 1/4 या 1/4. 1/4 या 1/4. Okay. And this one is also 1/4, 1/2, 1/3. This one is unit fraction. What is the mean by unit fraction? A fraction that shows one part of a whole. एक पार्ट, पूरे का एक पार्ट शो करे, that is called unit fraction. What? Unit fraction. वन होना चाहिए ऊपर, एक पार्ट होना चाहिए. That is called unit fraction. Okay, now all of you open exercise 2. Exercise 2. So all of you open page number 132. Take the figure that shows 1/2. Take the figure that shows 1/2. Only 2 parts होने चाहिए और उसका भी एक. It means that one is, इसको टिक करना है, and that one is cross because 4 parts आते हैं. तो इसका तो क्या होगा 1/4 होगा. But this one is asking about 1/2. Look question number first. Take this one. That one is 4 part. Not we will take. And 1, 2. 2 parts are there. It means 1/2. 1 part की बात हो रही है और 2. Okay. And this one is 1/3. So that one is cross. Got it all of you? 2 part होने चाहिए उसमें. Okay. Okay. Now question number 2. Color 1/3 of each of the following. 1/3 it means color 1. Only 1 part पे कलर करना है जिसके 3 पार्ट. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट कितने होने चाहिए 3. ओके. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट 3. ओनली 1 पार्ट पे आपको क्या करना है कलर. 1 पार्ट पे आपको कलर करना है. ओके. हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स आर देयर 1 2 3. तो ओनली फिल color in 1 part only. Got it all of you? Here also. Yeah, you can take any part. कोई भी आप पार्ट ले सकते हो, चाहे ये चाहे ये, anyone. Got it all of you? Okay, now look. In your book also, color 1/3. You fill here also, any part you can take. कोई भी एक पार्ट आपको लेना है. Got it all of you? This one also. Only 1 part में आपको कलर फिल करना है. Here also. Understood all of you? Okay, now open page number 133. All of you open page number 133. Divide the shape into 4 equal parts and color 1/4 of each shape. First of all, we will divide into 4 equal parts. Okay, we can divide in this way also. Okay, and fill 1 part. 4 पार्ट में आपको डिवाइड करना है और 1 पार्ट में आपको कलर करना है. कलर 1/4 यानी 1 पार्ट में आपको कलर करना. गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू? दिस वन ऑल्सो डिवाइड इंटू 4 पार्ट्स इन दिस वे ऑल्सो एंड दिस वन ऑल्सो एंड फिल 1 पार्ट. Okay, this one also you have to divide into 4 equal parts and fill only 1 part with color. Okay, got it all of you? Okay, look in your book also. Divide the shape into 4 equal parts and color 1/4. Okay, we can divide into in this way, in this way, okay, and fill 1 part. 1/4 दे रखा है यानी 1 part only fill with color in this way. Any part you can fill. Okay, कोई भी एक part आप fill कर सकते हो. Got it all of you? Okay, now see question number 4. Circle the unit fraction. I told you what is the mean by unit fraction. 1 part of the shape. पार्ट का शेप का एक पार्ट जिसमें भी 1 होगा that one is unit fraction. Circle 1 is there then unit fraction. Okay, 4/4 4 से 4 कटा, got 1, 4 से 4 कटा then 1. This one also be a unit fraction. Okay, 1/1. This one also be a unit fraction. This one is not because 2 part. Okay, only 1 part we have to take. जिसका 1 part होगा वो ही लेना आपको. Got it all of you? 1/2. This one also be a unit fraction. 9/10. This one is not unit fraction. 5/7. This one is not unit fraction because 1 part will be there. Okay, should be there. 1 part होना चाहिए. 2/5. It's not a unit fraction and 1/7 is a unit fraction. Got it all of you? And some question I will give you in homework. You have to do this one on. You and that one question you have to fill book on. Got it all of you? It's a very easy chapter. If you will do practice and easily you will learn. Thank you and have a nice day.